Let's do our task and beat the imposter.
Shh, hi, it's me, Manti Air, and I'm the imposter. And don't tell the crewmates that I was the imposter. Anyways, let's do the first kill.
I have to do the first task. Before the imposter will get me. Okay, I'm going to do mine before the imposter will get me.
Hee. Let's get out of here. Wait, Uganda Airlines is coming and must vent.
Lala. What a great day. What? There's a dead body. I must report.
Lala Layla. What, that vampire is an imposter. I must report.
UHM, why are we here? I was just to do the task. In Shields.
This vampire is the imposter who killed Kenya Airways. I was reporting the body. He didn't.
No, I wasn't the vampire. I was just doing the task.
I think Uganda Airlines. My brother is lying. Let's put him into the vote to space.
Oh no.
All right, let's do our second kill.
All right, are you ready for you? Scan if you're a crewmate or an imposter.
Yes, Ethiopian Airlines starts scanning.
Okay, Idauki. You're a crewmate. Now it's my turn. Wait, who turned off the light? What just happened? Wait, what?
Holy hydrogen monoxide! Someone killed the Qatar Airways. I must press the emergency. I must hurry, and I don't anyone to sus me.
Haha, Ethiopian Airlines doesn't know I was the imposter. I am going to win the game.
What did you say, Manta Air?
Nothing. I am a crewmate. I finished all my tasks and find the imposter.
Okay then. I found a body in Medbay. Me and Qatar Airways went to scan, and after like some boring minutes, the lights are out and someone vented and killed it. It has to be someone else. What places did you guys went?
I went to the upper engine. To send direct power from electric to N engine.
I went to fix the lights and came to security to do the last task. You won't believe me. Manta Air is doing a fake task in there.
No, it's Ethiopian Airlines. KLM is lying. He is the imposter. She killed Qatar Airways.
I don't believe you today. You said this.
We don't have time. Let's vote him now.
Yay,